Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the sun icon. This is the screen brightness icon, and if you want to adjust the screen brightness, you can tap on this icon. And basically, when you keep tapping on it, if you will keep tapping on it, you will cycle through different levels of brightness. So select the brightness you like, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also change the brightness through the settings. So we can press the side button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, and here we can select display and brightness, and then brightness. And here we can adjust the brightness level by swiping up and down, finding the brightness level we like, and once you find it and select it, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.